Does your pantry stress you out? Is it in desperate need of an overhaul? Hi, friends. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a journey, a virtual one, into the world of decluttering and organizing. Join me as I guide a client through transforming their pantry into a functional and aesthetically pleasing space. It's not just about tidying up, though. It's about creating a space that brings joy and efficiency. Are you ready? Here we go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like it. Please don't do that. That's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this pantry transformation. And if you're interested in virtual organizing, you think it's a perfect fit for you, please leave a comment below with any questions you might have, or you can visit my website at lifeorganizedwithmichelle.com. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it, girl. Get it. Get it, girl. This girl. Let's go. Recording's hard. Very hard. Yeah. Shake, shake, shake it out. All right. Here we go.